Okay, y'all, check out this Hampton Inn and Suites. I'll put the address right here. We're in Palmetto, Florida. A lot of the hotels I show you are just so that you'll know what you're staying in if you happen to be staying there. This, I look forward to showing you. I mean, this hotel is amazing. I gotta look up some history here and see how old this is. Take a look inside. Let's check this out. Look at this letterbox, and she says it's still in use.
Hello.
It's here since the 30s or the 20s.
How are you doing?
Hey. Look at this box. Business Center. Breakfast, 6 to 10 a.m. daily, as you can see. What a wonderful place to have breakfast. Can't wait to check it out in the morning and see what's here. Clearly there are going to be some waffles. Toast. Little hot breakfast. Oh, this is going to be nice. Okay, let's see what they got here in the sweet shop. Of course, sweets. All the stuff you need if you forgot something. Now that's interesting. I don't know if I've ever seen a couple of bottles of champagne in a hotel. Oh, I love Miss Vicky's chips. Several bottles of wine, beer, sodas. These little prices. Hope you can see all that. Let's go up from the bottom. Look at this elevator floor indicator. That is so cool. 1926 original. This stairway. Oh, picture of the original building. Well, the building's still here, but pieces, parts. 1926. The Manatee River Hotel. I love this place. Let's check out the fitness center. Hopefully no one will be in here and I won't disturb anyone. Very nice little fitness center. Heated pool, 8 to 10. Don't need two hands, hold on. Very nice. Just a little tiny pool. No lifeguard on duty.
I don't want anyone swimming in this pool unless there's a lifeguard on duty. Duty.
That's really cool. Look at these little balconies that are out here on each floor. I miss balconies at hotels. So rare these days. Oh, you can see the ocean just a little bit over there. You'll see it. The river, I guess. Oh, they've put this hand sanitizer right in front of the original elevator call button. That is so cool. Oh, wow. Okay, let's check out room 605. Oh, as soon as you enter, refrigerator, microwave. Bathroom is on the left. Oh, nice deep tub. Let's check out the room. What's here? Standard closet. Let's see. Oh yeah, got everything you need. It's only like 4 hangers in there. That's interesting. And the room. Couple of queen beds. Your thermostat over here. Couple of plugs there. No USB, but certainly appreciate the history. I could do without USB. Ah, here's USB. Very nice. The coffee maker. Nice big TV. Let's see what the view is here from the 6th floor. Sun might drown you out. Can we see the? Yes, we can, just barely. Looks like we're gonna get a little sunset tonight. That should be nice. Okay, that's it. See you again at breakfast in the morning. See what they have for that. I really like this hotel. Love the history. Right here is ice and vending. Let's see what they got. Oh, it's not locked. It's not ice and vending. It is ice. I guess you don't buy a new sign just for that. You can see the water much better from the vending machine room. Good morning. Let's go see what's for breakfast in this place. Oh, the river's still there. Got eggs, hash browns, little bacon, some cheese. Everything to go on, whatever. Oatmeal, milk, cereal. Fruit, yogurt. Fruit and juice, apples, oranges, bananas, juice, and waffles. That's it for the Hampton in Bradenton, the Old Manatee Hotel. Please like and subscribe if you want. I feel like I should be doing something fancy when I stay here. Thanks for watching. Oh, back to the real world.